9 a.m. Fueled by ambition, you step into the office, motivated to make your mark in the high-stakes world of investment banking. You check emails and voicemails, and discover you've been assigned to a new deal. You need to prepare a public information book about the target company. From earlier this week, you must also continue working on a buy-side pitch book for another client and finishing a complex merger model for a third deal. Determined, you gear up for the action-packed day ahead. 10 a.m. Laser-focused, you immerse yourself in the PIB, sifting through annual reports, press releases, and industry reports. Crafting a captivating company profile, you highlight business segments, financial performance, growth prospects, and competitive advantages. You crunch the numbers in Excel and craft an engaging narrative in PowerPoint. 11:20 a.m. Your heart races as your associate calls you, informing you that the PIB is due by noon. Hastily finalizing and printing, you send it off for review. 12 p.m. You grab a well-deserved lunch with your friends at the bustling cafeteria. You chat about your deals, your weekend plans, and floor gossip. 12:45 p.m. Recharged, you return to your desk to tackle the buy-side pitch book. Having completed the public market overview pages yesterday, you now create detailed graphs and tables to showcase the possible exchange ratios for the acquisition. You also investigate the investment company that owns 40% of the target, as your VP wants to include some pages on them in the pitch book. 2 p.m. You receive an urgent email from your VP, requesting you to update a financial model for another client. Shifting gears, you spend an hour updating the model, incorporating the latest market data and assumptions. You then return to working on the pitch book. 3:45 p.m. Your associate summons you to a conference room meeting with the VP to discuss the pitch book. You save your work and head in. 4 p.m. You meet with your VP, associate, and the highly knowledgeable managing director, who is conferenced in from another city. They scrutinize your work, offering feedback and suggestions. They also discuss the strategy and timeline for approaching the client and the target company. 5 p.m. Back at your desk, you diligently incorporate the changes to your pitch book, updating some of the numbers and assumptions based on the latest market data. You send the revised pitch book to your associate for approval. 6:15 p.m. You complete a training module on advanced financial modeling techniques to hone your skills and boost your efficiency and expertise. 7 p.m. You order dinner with your friends from the office, opting for comfort food after a grueling day. You eat together in an empty conference room, stealing glances at your email and voicemail. 8 p.m. With determination, you open the merger model that you need to complete by tonight. You've built most of the model yesterday, so now you concentrate on error checking, formatting, and running sensitivity analysis. You also create informative charts and tables to illustrate the accretion dilution result under various scenarios. 10 p.m. Exhausted but triumphant, you finish the merger model and send it to your associate for review. You also print a copy for yourself, carefully double-checking for any errors or inconsistencies. 11 p.m. Your associate calls you, noting he's found some minor issues in the model. He asks you to fix them and resend the model, mentioning that he sent an email with new tasks for tomorrow. 11:30 p.m. You swiftly fix the issues in your model and resend it to your associate. You check your email for tomorrow's tasks. You'll prepare a valuation analysis for another deal, update a financial model for another client, and research potential targets for another pitch book. You make a mental note of these tasks and strategize how to tackle them efficiently tomorrow morning. 12 a.m. Mentally exhausted, you pack up and leave the office. You call an Uber home, attempting to unwind and get some much-needed sleep before another high-octane day in investment banking.